Hi guys, long time no see. Today I'm gonna introduce the LCD replaceable welding machine. It contains the most versatile function into a compact and lightweight construction, so it can help you break through the welding barriers and in common application scenarios and unlock the new levels of skill, strength and stability. Meanwhile, just plug and play. This easy to connect 2.5 kWh welder is also called the digital current inverter manual metal arc machine. When you confront with the low battery situation, you can detach the upper component directly and replace the battery with another one, which it has equipped with two backup battery. What was mentioned is that this welding machine is not only artificially controlled with adjustable current between 30 ampere and 140 ampere, but also it can be disassembled and transported conveniently for tackling various indoor and outdoor welding projects. Okay guys, that's all the information. Thanks for watching us and we'll try our best to suit your needs.